Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video I will show you step by step how you can print Canva designs really quickly. So let's get started. Head over to Canva, log into your account, and now let's say you would like to print a logo design like that here, like for instance a brand logo for your company. Of course, if you like, you can simply save or export that file on your computer and then from your computer access the downloaded file and let your printer print it. But there is a faster way you can do this, for example via Canva. Simply click on that share button here in the upper right corner, click on download here on the drop down menu, and on the following page select your output file. Now guys, instead of going with JPEG, PNG or PDF standard format, you can go with that format here, PDF print, described as best for printing. So let me do that really quickly. Let your computer finish downloading, and after that open your downloaded design as a PDF file. Next click on that icon here in the upper right corner, on that printer icon, and yeah, let your printer print that design for you. Depending on your printer model and type, you will be given the opportunity to adjust, for example, the color or the pages, the alignment, and so on and so forth. And once you're ready to print your design, click on that button here to print your design. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a great day.